You're ready to sell your home, but is your home ready to sell? Here's the thing. Buyers are picky and first impressions matter. In today's video, I'm going to show you some simple, low-cost fixes that can make a huge difference when you're getting your home ready for the market. You don't need a complete renovation, just a few smart changes. If you need help getting your home ready to sell, reach out to me. Whether it's decluttering, making small repairs, or staging, I can guide you through the steps that will make your home stand out to buyers. My contact information is in this description, so don't hesitate to get in touch. Let's work together to get your home in top shape and sold fast. Before we jump into the details, let me tell you why prepping your home matters. Buyers make decisions fast, often within minutes of stepping inside. If your home looks cluttered, dirty, or outdated, they'll move on to the next one quickly. But with the right prep, you can make your home stand out and get offers quicker. First up, decluttering. Trust me, this is huge. Buyers want to see open, spacious rooms, not your personal stuff. The less clutter, the bigger and more inviting your home feels. Clear off countertops, put away personal items, and if you have too much furniture, consider moving some of it into storage. It's a quick and easy win. Next, give your home a good deep cleaning. I'm not talking about your regular weekend tidy up. I mean floors, walls, windows, baseboards, everything, cobwebs, corners, fans, everything. A clean home tells buyers it's been well cared for. If cleaning isn't your thing, it's worth hiring a professional cleaning service to make everything shine. This investment will pay off big time. Now, let's talk about paint. A fresh coat of paint is one of the easiest, cheapest ways to make your home feel new again. Stick to neutral colors like white, beige, or light gray. They make rooms look bigger and brighter. Plus, neutral walls help buyers imagine their own stuff in the space, which is exactly what you want. Here's a pro tip. Fix the little things. Buyers notice stuff like leaky faucets, loose door handles, or cracked tiles, and they'll wonder if there are bigger issues hiding behind those small ones. Spend a little time fixing anything that's broken or worn out. These small repairs can make a big difference in how your home shows. Lastly, let's talk staging. You don't need to hire a pro, but you do want to arrange your furniture in a way that shows off your home's best features. Make sure each room has a clear purpose and keep things light and airy. Simple touches like fresh flowers or a few nice pillows can make a space feel very welcoming. Getting your home ready doesn't have to be expensive or complicated, but it does have to be done right. In the next video, we're going to dive into handling showings and making your home look its best every time a potential buyer walks through the door. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.